Good afternoon. Today we will see the synthesis of chlorobenzene. Synthesis of chlorobenzene. Synthesis of chlorobenzene. So this is the structure of chlorobenzene. This is the structure of chlorobenzene. In chlorobenzene, this Cl atom is bonded to benzene ring by sp2 hybridized carbon atom. sp2 hybridized carbon atom. Now let us see the preparations of chlorobenzene. First one is from preparation of chlorobenzene from benzene. From benzene. From benzene, chlorobenzene can be synthesized. So first of all, we require for the formation of chlorobenzene, benzene. This is the structure of benzene. Benzene when reacts with chlorine. Benzene when reacts with chlorine, it will give rise to the, in presence of FeCl3 halogen derivatives like ferric chloride or AlCl3, it will give rise to the structure chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene plus HCl. So in this way, this chlorobenzene is prepared from benzene. Benzene then reacts with chlorine in presence of FeCl3, it will give rise to chlorobenzene. So this is the first method of synthesis of chlorobenzene from benzene. Now second. Second one is from phenol. From phenol. From phenol, chlorobenzene can also be synthesized. So first of all, what we required here from phenol. So first of all, we required here phenol, and this is the structure of phenol. Phenol when reacts with PCl5, that is phosphorus pentachloride, then it will give rise to such types of structure. Here Cl, POCl3 plus HCl. This is nothing but the structure of chlorobenzene. So in this way, this chlorobenzene can be prepared, or chlorobenzene can be synthesized from phenol. First of all, it reacts with PCl5, means when phenol in presence of PCl5 when heated, then there is a formation of chlorobenzene. So this is the another method for preparation of chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene can be prepared in this way, means by directly heating with PCl5. We will get directly the formation of chlorobenzene here, along with this side product POCl3 and HCl. And now the last method for the preparation of chlorobenzene is from benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium, diazo. Azo means presence of N double bond N group. That is a symbol for azo. So we what we require here, first of all, from benzene diazonium chloride, we can prepare chlorobenzene also. So first of all here, when this is the structure of benzene diazone, N2Cl. This is the structure of benzene diazonium chloride. This is nothing but the structure of benzene diazonium chloride when reacts with CuCl2, that is cuprous chloride, along with HCl, when add, then what is the product? The product is the chlorobenzene, Cl here, and we will get the chlorobenzene as a product. Means chlorobenzene can be prepared from benzene diazonium salt. This N2 is liberated in atmosphere. N2 is a gas, that's why it's liberated in atmosphere. And what we will get obtain here? Here we will obtain the chlorobenzene. Okay? Chlorobenzene is obtained from benzene diazonium salt. Benzene diazonium salt, when reacts with cuprous chloride along with HCl, then there is a formation of chlorobenzene, and N2 gas is liberated in atmosphere. So in this way, this chlorobenzene can be synthesized from benzene. Chlorobenzene can be synthesized from, first of all, from benzene also. We can prepare from benzene. Chlorobenzene can be prepared from benzene. Then from phenol also we can prepare chlorobenzene. From phenol also we can prepare chlorobenzene. And last method is from benzene diazonium chloride. Benzene diazonium chloride. From benzene diazonium chloride we can also synthesize chlorobenzene. So these all are the methods of preparations of chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene can be prepared by three methods. First method is from benzene, second one is from phenol, and last one is from benzene diazonium chloride. In this way, this chlorobenzene can be synthesized from these three steps.